Today it's Monday, September 22nd, 2025, and these are the parts from the E63, the white color outside, the one with the two camshafts, intake camshafts, hydraulic lifters. Watch the previous video, you'll understand what I'm saying. It's mostly for the owner. Today I receive also the other camshaft. Alright, I have both intake camshafts here. I don't have the hydraulic lifters, alright, so I cannot continue here. And I receive the flange, the yoke, this one, because the previous one from the press and all these things, it was not very straight, alright, and I receive the wave track. What does mean that one? That I can continue closing the diff and then give it to the guys to install it on the car. It's different job, the differential, different the camshafts, obviously. Now, let me get the housing because I need to make some clearance to be able to pass the carrier inside, the LSD. And let's see also the flange. Here we have the new flange. Nice, I already tested and has a nice and tight fit, as supposed to be. This goes out to the customer. Housing, and let's take out the diff. By the way, I prefer the geared LSD than to have a clutched LSD. Alright, let's see if there is anything new or if they are the same instructions like before. You never know, it's always a good thing to read because maybe they change something and they're gonna put it on the paper. And let me have a look on it later on. Yeah, obviously, where am I going? I need both hands. Okay. Looking good, looking beautiful. Nice surfaces. I don't see any heat, any mark or whatever from the transportation. We are looking good, like any other time. I never face any problem, alright? Now, what it takes all the time. I need, at this point where I put the marker, to polish it at this area for a clearance to be able to enter it inside. Okay, nothing, not a big deal. I have done this, I don't remember how many times I have done this. Just only what it takes time. I have to take the housing, go outside, machine it, alright. I don't want to remove too much materials, alright. Then clean it, I mean it's already clean, I just need to blow with air. Then test fit. And then when it's nice and has enough clearance, then I'm washing it for final. Alright, 101. Let me do that. For you, it's gonna be in a second. In a second, you're gonna see that it's total fine. Finish from the massage of the diff housing, like in their time. Now, I'm going for the final wash, and then I'm gonna start installing it. Here we go, another wave track installed. Back in place. Alright, happy with the preload, secure the nut here, the same clearance like before, classic, okay, new bearings, carrier in place, ring in place. Let me close the cover, putting it back, new seals. Alright, this goes back to the owner, oil over there, and this goes back to the owner as well. This is empty, it's just boxes. But it belongs to the owner, alright? And standing by for the camshafts. Let me put also the cover on the diff and then to finalize the video. Alright, no, it's nothing new here. Another wave track. I don't know how many I have installed, but it's a good choice. I mean, yeah, like I said at the beginning, I prefer it than clutched LSD. You put a geared LSD, if the torque is okay and you're not a cannibal from how you're driving the car, it's gonna last forever. You know how many times I forget to finalize the video and I said, okay, now it's too late, I'm deleting the video completely. It's not the first time. Fortunately, okay. So what do we have? We have diff ready, cover back in place, okay, with a seal all around, box with nylon piece bags inside and boxes. The remaining fluid, it was not full when they give to me. I haven't put that much. It was a little bit more. Okay. The races here, the old nut. Obviously, I put a new nut. Obviously. Alright. Giving to the guys outside to install it, and then standing by for the hydraulic lifters, tappets, or how it's called, you know, to do the camshaft, the timing thing, to install it. Yeah, that's it. A small update now regarding the diff. We received today the wave track. Today the diff is ready, giving to the guys to install it. Thank you very much. Over and out. See you on the next part.